So this is the final round.
Final round now. Final round.
Alright. We're going the full distance.
Final round, who win?
This round is the final round. After this round, we're going to be declaring a winner. And we're going to have a new champion. A first-time champion. Either the trophy is going to be staying in Guyana, or the trophy is going to be going to Germany. You are going to decide. The first song that wins 7 tunes. Alright? We're going to vote after every song. First to 7 wins the clash. Alright? This round, doublets only. The tunes must feature a vocal artist. So you can't play a Bounty Killer alone or a Beanie Man alone. It must be a combination with a vocal artist, alright? DJs, you ready?
Ready.
Remember, we're starting in the order that you choose in the beginning. Oh, alright. So, Warrior Song. So no time on the clock. Warrior Song is gonna start the tune for tune.
GT, respect to each and everybody. Thank you so much. Tonight was a wonderful experience clashing here. Right now, I'm ready to take it home. It's the nitty-gritty, the tune for tune. It's the big tune time and big people time. Hold on, my phone a ring. Mommy, call me. Give me 1 sec. My mom is calling. Yes, mom. She's calling from Germany. If you love your mama, put 2 hands in the air, everybody. She's saying, I'm in Guyana. I'm in GT. I am murdering Rude Boy sound and tune for tune. Hold on, me put her on speaker right now. Mama, let me tell you what me doing on the morning.
The dog plates playing in the ghetto tonight. We gonna kill us on tonight. Warriors on a killers in one tonight. Murderer. Warriors on a murderer. Oh Lord. Murderer. Matia murderer. Oh Lord. We gonna kill them tonight. Warriors on a killers on one tonight. We gonna kill them.
Wait, man. Since we get them Japanese a chance to carry away trophy, like it's everybody walk off with a trophy. Well, not tonight! Guyanese, nobody taking with trophy route by Sunday.
Big up Rude Boy International Sound, aka Rude Boy Sound, the original. Big up Robbie and Rami International Sound, New York, Canada and Israel. True to this.
Listen! I do say something in the morning. I don't say.
Sound boy run when Rude Boy come up.
Give him that point. It's okay. It's your point. All who said they win the point, put your hands in the air. Yeah, man. Rude Boy 1, Warrior 0. It's okay. They have the point. Me I go counter the blood clot right now. You know how to talk, it's them point. You know what? Brother, you better come prepared, car.
Warrior Sound International. Matia, the one man half.
This is Armageddon Clash, everybody here.
Yeah, man, this is Ernest Smith. Warrior Sound come forward. Straight from Germany. To the Armageddon in a Guyana, you see, George don't them narrate you. You are not ready. And in the tune, sit you now. Warrior Sound till everybody. Tonight we win the Armageddon. Here in a Guyana. None of the sound can stop with. Warrior Sound a sound clash star.
Coffin and Rose. Anybody got a cough around here?
I'm going to need it because I don't want to invest my money on the foreign people. I did you did tonight. You ready for him then? We trophy now go nowhere. Turn on and kill him.
Oh boy, no. Yeah.
Never kill him, Guyana. Lioness never kill us. Let's song and play. I don't want to hear this song, but you're not here this morning.
Putting roses on your coffin as we slay your 9 nights in 9 days. Rude boy son will be murdering you tonight.
Oh, shots 2-0.
Alright?
Yes,
We know we have to judge this one. Front of the stage. Warrior. So, the score is Rude Boy 1, Warrior 0. Alright? So, all who say Warrior win the round, answer the air. Take them down. Take them down. All who say Rude Boy win the round, answer the air. So, Rude Boy 2, Warrior 0.
Yeah, man. Every time you're in a new place, you have to learn and understand the crowd. Yeah, man. So right now, this is my job to do with the heart of a lion and the confidence of a warrior. Everybody in a GT will love reggae music. Turn up the lighters. Turn up your hand in the ear. Give me some signal and let's celebrate reggae music.
Sweep over some sound. Yes. Sweep over some sound. Go down road in life. It's a road. While we are sweep over some sound. Let me tell you something, Guyanese. We get the hardest fight in our life any part of the world we go. But we're born strong. This man travel the world and play music. Big DJ. Me only come from Baltic to Georgetown and watch me kill him. Watch ya. Watch ya.
Rude boy, get the culture alive. Padam, padam, pam, pam, pam. Rude boy, get the culture alive.
Just send piano this. No, just send it.
Warrior, quick and fast. So Rude Boy 2, Warrior 0. All who say Warrior took the third round, answer the air. Don't take them down. Make sure you look. All who say Rude Boy took the third round, answer the air. All right, listen. From no song to move. This has to go over. Alright? You agree? Good. We're going to do it again. All who said Warrior won that round, answer the air. After looking at the VIP all over, take them down. All who say Rude Boy win the round, answer the air. Warrior sound won that round. Score is 2-1.
Rude Boy, you think me is an easy sound for beat? You diss me for traveling the world? 2 decades of everything I had to give, I put into reggae music. And you think you can just come and intimidate me with some speech? Brother, long time may I do this. All my warriors, 200 a year. Guyana!
One man army, one man against the world. Kill. Warrior.
In the morning! Rude Boy!
The one never will
bend it. Play this and dance around. There is no coach and it's no loophole. No escape for idiot sound. Cause every time you dip your ever water, try to save yourself from jam. Warrior, have a pump up the water. Feel your nose and send you back down.
Bombo Clan.
Yeah, what about more resistance? Nothing can stop me from that tonight. This is not slingers with the Chinese bike kill with couples. Yeah, done this boy!
Made it try but could not test the rude boy sound.
Nah, he got no bad, man. Bad?
Round 4. Warrior. DJs, make sure you're looking at the VIP and all over, okay? All who say Warrior won that round, answer me here. Take them down. Take them, all of the answers. All who say Rude Boy when they run there, answer the here. The match time. Warrior won that round, 2-2.
Simple thing now. He played a song by Barry Simmons called Groovy Little Thing, saying a lot of sound tried to test Rude Boy and could never test him. That's a bass Odyssey anthem. When you copy a song and you don't change the lyrics, you are just a copycat, voicing this song for the 250th time in the last 5 years. Can I please play my version of the song and tell you the problem with Rude Boy sound? I need everybody to listen. This is not a replay, this is a counter-action of the blood clot in the morning. Hear this!
Yeah. Play Warrior Sound International.
If you want to hear some special music tonight, everybody put your hands in the air, Guyana. Hear this now.
Yes. No one tries to voice their place as a special. Every little sound just sounds the same. Yeah. And right now, here comes a Warrior International.
What we come for now?
Shows you how to voice dubs and how to play. Warrior just give the sound of the world and soul jumping.
Yeah. How are this? The pan playback song, we don't depend that. We don't have time for that. Big song we say tonight. Bossy man.
Big sound sing. When the roll is called up yonder, the road will be there. Alright.
Alright. That was the 5th round. So, 14th time. All who say Warrior won that round, hands in the air, take them down. All who say Rude Boy won that round, hands in the air, take them down. So Warrior 3, Rude Boy 2.
I just realized the bumbuckler rules of this bumbuckler tune for tune. You have to play a singer in your song. That don't say you can't play DJ. I'm going to play one of the biggest dancehall combinations made of all time and kill Rude Boy sound in the morning. This is Bounty Killer alongside Angel Doulas in the bumbuckler. I'm ready to see sound in the morning. You gonna in the ear right now. killer fans put one gun on in the GT. All who said poor people go back.
Listen to party, we no long talker. Here we go no talker. Them blood they run like water. Them preaching like a party.
Dark. Go back to bar. Take up dark.
No bother with that. Yeah, I pop and watch, look here. Him there on a bag of chattings. And this, he sound like Roddy Gun to me. And this song and in the 1940. And you know too much of business, you know. Yeah, Rude Boy, bust it up, no
this. Why some in for go alongside?
Yeah, what Chris Martin does the man.
You Mr. Robbie, DJ Beats. You Mr. Robbie, Rude Boy sound is a champion every time.
Watch out!
Rude Boy must
Chatty, mountain massive, mix up, why you?
Shots by the man on the force.
All right. Front of the stage. Rude Boy.
Everybody, please follow, guys.
Remember the score, you know. Score is 3-2 to Warrior. All right. All who say Warrior won that round, hands in the air. Take them down.
Hey.
All who say Rude Boy won that round, hands in the air. Warrior Soul won that round. The score is now 4-2.
GT. Them say singer happy play. This song is a triple platinum song. A handful sounds in the world alone play this on dub. It's in the Guinness Book of Records for the most radio airplays within 1 week. This is history. This is Raven, the singer, alongside Shaggy, the DJ, murdering Rude Boy in the morning.
That's what they get to Warrior Sound International. Famous in the border. Marcia, you know say one man on
Rude Boy,
that was the revelation.
you better face the reality in the morning and Armageddon.
Man, sound boy.
GT.
Oh, you say them not real, but Warrior Sound.
Sound boy, you a go dead now. Matty a murder, a jumper. And if you try to say Warrior, your days are good. We are the champion. See Warrior, they run things now.
All the way at Shaggy. All the way at Mr. Lover. Kill them sound in the morning. No sound.
We are the champion.
Life is one big party when a song come. But who's living in a box when the dance done? If a song wipe come this the program. Where your sound not gonna hype on a promotion? But the king.
Yeah, man, thank you for the heartbeat. The heart. Everybody, please
Yeah.
follow,
I
guys.
don't believe yet. Yeah. Rude Boy shoot now, man. Come to kill us.
Now, Rude Boy down there, the big song, and you wrote the tongue round the side of the scene. We get him the triple R right about now. Rabbit the man called. Yeah, man called Rude. So you bring up on the end so much. It's combination. Rude Boy song play. Right now we ready, song boy, hold on steady. Rude Boy sound now move at lightning speed. Take back seat and wait for we ready. Robbie and the crew die, so hold on steady. I'm the sound.
Thank you for the hearts, them guys. Please follow, guys. Click on the name and follow. We in
All
Guyana.
right.
It's National Park in Guyana.
14 time. All who say Warrior Sound won that round, hands in the air. Take them down. All who say Rude Boy Sound won that round, hands in the air. Warrior 5, Rude Boy 2. Best to set, first to 7 wins the clash. Alright?
GT. One more bat song in the morning to murder Rude Boy. One more bumbleclad combination in the morning that they can never get. That no sound in the world play like Warrior. This is Carlton Coffee, the original lead singer of Inner Circle in that time when he was Bad Boys. Alongside Bounty Killer, the 5-star general. Warrior sound alone play the one. You feel your bad, Rude Boy? Your time to prove it, cause this song tell the people them.
For the original bad boy from out of Trenchtown, Kingston, Jamaica, alongside Bounty Killer. See? I'm gonna become like Carlton Coffee. Some white that's from Derby. What you gonna do when Bounty Killer?
We feel like it's a joke, what them playing tune for tune.
So carry it down.
All who wanna hear big song, put 2 hands in the air.
When Warrior sound come for you. Joke sound, and who you want for food? Big Warrior sound is better than you. Joke sound. Material road, some Bounty Killer for murder you.
I said them pop. Warrior sound them on the god.
Warrior soul. Woo. Wow. Everybody click on the name and follow, guys. Follow. We got some sunshine.
Watch it. All the real people them right up with your right hand. All the real Guyanese put your right hand on you, Gosso. All who never sell out where you come from, Gosso. I have some people that snitch. All who never sell out your place. Put your right hand on here and sing the song you please.
From the top to the last drop. When I hear Rude Boy sound is in the house. Rude Boy sound. Play good dubs in this dance tonight.
Rude Boy. Front of the stage.
Yo.
All who say Warrior won that round. Hands in the air. Take them down. All who say Rude Boy son won that round. Hands in the air. So the score is Warrior 6, Rude Boy 2.
Rude Boy, me rate you. Firefox, me rate you. Slingers run so I can't tell. Big up every DJ and every selector way of ambition. Big up everybody who is a warrior and try to make it in a life. But sometimes there's a point in life where you have to accept the harsh reality. And the harsh reality tonight at Armageddon clash for Rude Boy sound.
Follow before you left. Sign in here.
Yeah. Still not give up, you know. Come to play something, you know. One Rude Boy song. Hear me now. Go on, yeah. Shoot.
Undertaker speaking. We're going to build 5 cars for Rude Boy. Have some killing for the tonight. Big funeral in a dance clash. Telling about Rude Boy sound. Tel Aviv, Israel. Grammy, big up yourself. Tabasco, Rudy Ram, Pupa Arbel, and Shabba. Best selectors in the world. Big up yourself.
Rude Boy is killing your sound.
Oh, Sky. Hey, yo.
All right. Songs to the front of the stage.
Yo, guys.
Rude Boy,
Yes, my
Warrior.
G, bro.
Warrior.
Real warrior. Big up yourself, guys. Guy from
All
Bar,
who
take
say
up.
Warrior won that round.
Bad.
Anthony here.
Big up, guy.
Take them down.
Yeah, I respect you still.
All who say Rude Boy won that round.
Guy.
Anthony here.
Guy is my G.
Take them down. The winner of Armageddon 2026, Warrior International.
All the way from Bar, take your
Warrior.
bar.
After you done after party, city vibes.
Nobody move, nobody.
GT, thank you so much. This means the world to me. Don't walk out too fast. Big up everybody. Big up everybody in the place. Nothing but respect to Lola Guyana. Gavin, big up yourself. DC London, the whole crew. New York family, big up on yourself. Thank you for lining up. London family, big up on yourself. Respect Lola Guyana. Everybody from all over the place. West side, big up on yourself. See what you see? Yeah man, GT, Warrior Sound, One Man Army.
Everybody.
All right. Make some nice Armageddon 2026 champion, Warrior Sound. All right.
Sound like Maggie there.
See you next year.
Rondell. Everybody, please follow, guys. Click on the name and follow. Any more events? We there live. You don't know. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting.
You see. Big up yourself, Empire Media Inc. and sponsors, Guinness, Rockstone, The Whole Works, Enid, Ministry of Culture, Youth and Sports. You know what? This is the moment where I will get this wonderful trophy because I'm coming back to Guyana next year. I can't wait. GT, I can't wait. Right now, it's the time car winnings, car Warrior Sound. You know what? GT, big up.
Pass the trophy to the Warriors Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warriors Sound. So now that then, whoa, Warrior come. Shadow. Pass the trophy to the Warriors Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warriors Sound. So now that then, the Warrior come. See, it was a cool and lovely breezy afternoon. You could feel it, cause it was the month of June. So I left my gates and went down for a walk. As I passed the Warrior camp, I heard them sing. I heard them sing. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. So now that then, whoa, Warrior come. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. So now that then, Warrior come. So I stopped to find out what was going on. And it was the spirit of Jah, you know, he leads me on. It was a big object and the session was there in the swing. I could feel the trees as I see and heard everything. I heard them sing. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. So now that then, whoa, Warrior come. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. Pass the trophy to the Warrior Sound. So now that then, whoa, Warrior come.
Everybody, please follow, guys. All watching for the first time, please follow. Later on today, we will be at Pleasance Market and La Penitence as well. You know what I mean? So I need everybody to follow. For more of this content, please follow. You're welcome, Emma. One link. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Thank you so much, guys. Let me see how much hour. 4 hours, 3 minutes. And up on the live. I get all the recordings in the live too. So y'all don't know. Y'all look out for it. Yeah, I must check it on YouTube. You don't know, we got it on YouTube soon. Tomorrow it's up on the YouTube today. So we got a lot of posting to do. All I need you guys to do is just follow. You know what I mean? Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Me know the screen recording whilst I video, and who screen record, well, you don't know the hard though. Lil Ray, big up yourself. Yeah man, check it out on YouTube. Yeah. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Y'all don't worry with me. Tomorrow's the next day, I'll go sleep, whatever. All I need you guys to do is just, you know, give me a follow so when I come live again, you don't know, it's easy. Yeah. Yeah, imagine the way I always handle my phone. Bad, eh? Don't ask so man, I'm tired, tired. But I just love doing it, you know what I mean? Yeah. I got warrior choice up there. Yeah. I think I should go up on stage. What y'all think, guys? I think I should go up on stage. Yeah, my general. What going on, man? Yes, fair. What going on? Fair. Alright, everybody with up on the stage right now. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. One link, one Guyana. Warriors Choice Day. He there right here. Everybody, the champion there. Everybody, please follow. Yeah, man, this is the champion, guys. This is the champion, guys. Yeah, big up. Champion, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for supporting. All who sending the confettis and the heart me's and all of that, respect. Yeah, big up the champion. Yeah, the man run some bad song. Man bring his wife and kill people. Yeah. Celebration. Everybody there with the champ. Everybody please follow. All watching for the first time. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. If you see how they done clear already, look what going on out there. See how much barkle, enough cleaning that go now. National Park with the people. This is Georgetown, Guyana, capital city. What going on? Yeah, man. Your ear went on live though. Enough people are sharing. Look at still big popping, they don't know. Yo, what going on, bro? Everybody. Lil Ray, look your boy Timo. Yeah, one Timothy. Big up the one Ants man. Always. Ants in the building. Yeah, one link. Everybody follow, guys.
Yeah, good. Listen what the man just said us last year.
want to say you're the number one song. No, you don't think
Big up Blue. Blue all the way. Warrior's Choice. Shiny man. A shiny man bad boy. Empire Media. Big up Shiny. They're right here. Alright. Respect. Boss. Japanese man intelligent with the music. Bad like that. The champion there. Warrior's Choice, you know. Everybody please follow. Yeah, my G. Everybody please follow. Nobody move, nobody get hurt. Follow. Send any art, meets them. Alright, good. We done with the follow now. Big up to everybody, man. Thank you so much for coming on the platform. We had over 1,000 people watching the live stream. Thank you so much, guys. Viewing all the way from Jamaica. I need you guys to follow me. So whenever I'm on live, you will get to see Guyana. Wherever popping in the country. Any dance or stage show. You know what I mean? Yeah, man.
Pick up the football, finals, February 6th. Do not miss. Champions. Bro. Yeah, man. The next time you fire there and you win it again. These cocksuckers so lame, you gotta get back now for you. Bring him back next. Why for the back? Man the back. Man forward. Come again. He roll. Big Papa.
Yeah, guys. Everybody, thank you so much. Wow. Thank you, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. I appreciate everybody that come and tap the screen. Send any heart, means them. You know what I mean? Yeah. I appreciate everybody. Thank you once again. Yo, the clash is crazy, bro. I'm holding this and they're like this. Good playing, man. Good playing. You play good. Guys, you know it wasn't easy being on the live all night with the phone. You see how I walk the camera, guys? Zooming from distance, in, out, every motions of the crowd, everything same time, guys. It was like crazy, you know? Yeah. It's the champ, it's the moment, so, you know what I mean? Mysterious, big up yourself. We had a song clash. Yeah, man. Up top. And the winner is Warrior Choice. That is the winner there. Wow, we had over 1,000 people watching the live for hours, guys. I appreciate everybody that come on the platform. Guys, please follow, please follow. For more of this content, you know what I mean? Yeah, good feelings, man, for all of you guys here, you know? Yeah, 1300 it reach. Emma, thank you so much for supporting as well, you know? Yeah, man, I appreciate you, Lil Ray, and everybody that, you know what I mean, happy with what I did. Cause Lil Ray asked me last night when I was on the live, he said, Million, you're going to sell your study in Erie, bro. I think you should go, bro. Cause enough people gonna think. He said he not glad for see the Clash live, and look what happened. He alone didn't enjoy it. A whole team, family enjoy it. You know what I mean? Oh, shucks. Yeah. 1,300 person on the live, yo. So we right now we're upon live 4 hours, 50 minutes. Here what happened, guys. I'm gonna post it back on YouTube tomorrow. Yeah, I'm gonna post it on YouTube tomorrow. I have a YouTube account named Around Guyana that I just post a lot of adventurous stuff and all different village in Guyana. You know what I mean? I was at Monrepo Market today, so that will be on YouTube. And also this clash here, I'm gonna post it on YouTube in the morning as well. Yeah. You see Chinese man there? Chinese man put up a fight though. Killer Bean, big up yourself, bro. Guys, I appreciate everybody, you know what I mean? Yo. Yeah, respect. Yeah. Easy opposition by the two of them in the tune for tune. DJ guy from Bartico. DJ guy from Bartico. Me buy from Germany, buy. Me buy experience. Me buy deal with the dark, buy. Yeah. The clash was crazy. Yo, everybody will come out, by. Yo, thank you. The champion still there about, you know. DJ guy from all the way from Bartico. Yeah, man. Friend tell a friend we outside, you know. Big up DJ guy all the way from Bartico. Boss. Yeah, my boy. Yeah, man. I asked him, man, right? If it's Slack or who. Man, said DJ guy. He said, you know who's guy? Man, run Bartico. You have to send for the baddest, bro. Nah, you deal with it, dog, bro. Alright, guys. Well, later on I will be at Pleasance Market. I suppose I don't go and sleep. And I gotta go there for 7 o'clock. I studying for dust, don't sleep and just stay up. Go at the market. People are just be in the market every Saturday and Sunday. Moving around on live all the time, showing you all the fruits and the greens, and people all around the world is tuning in and enjoy the vibe, you know what I mean? Yeah, people all around the world is tuning in and watch the live to see how Guyana nice and thing, you know, there's support. It's not really fully all about kinds when I'm out here vlogging, cause I don't do no battle, no requests. So just tell people if they gotta send any gift, let us send it right on the live with the full screen. The most I just ask for is art me's and tap the screen. But tonight it was a confetti and a thing them hand heart. You know what I mean? Yeah. Everybody got the trophy. Thank you guys, thank you so much, thank you. Tonight was nice, boy. I enjoyed tonight. Yo, you imagine how them clips can clean? You know what I mean? One thing about the camera, big up to the ultra, boy. The ultra mad. Clean. And it's zooming till to the moon all. So it's the right phone for the job. I gotta try the Ultra 26 and see if it's more bad. It better be more clean. Yeah, everybody please follow before I leave. We have 708 followers for the night. Yeah. And we have like I think it's 5K in diamond. It's not nothing for talk about, but you know, respect though. In all odds, right? 5K diamond. Everybody, thank you so much for supporting. The man clearing up the place right now. Yeah.
Einmal so mit Füßen drauf und dann einmal näher, das
yeah, this is any wifey, so man bring shop and bust the song. One you gotta get killed by a woman. Man say, can I play? Hey, I gotta look for them clips, buddy. I gotta find them clips and post on TikTok just now, guys. Y'all don't know. I can post some of the clash them and thing later on, you know. Yeah, alright guys. Well, me now I get ready for leaving now. Alright guys, we're about to leave here now. Soon as I reach in, guys, I get in and well, the big boy is still there on stage, you know. I think I should pull off this now and upload by. Yeah. So amazing how this world was made. But the man drop. You just get killed by a woman. When the man said, can I bring my wife? Yeah, it was hard ball. See how they feel looking? Yeah, it's crazy, guys. However, thank you so much, man. Thank you so much. Guys, y'all watch back the clips on YouTube, and I'm gonna post one to find shots on TikTok, right? I cut in half the live now. Killer Bean, everybody, thank you so much. I can see you all again. Let me see bye. If me go sleep, me not gonna wake up for go market around 7 by. Me don't know me I gonna make it. Now it's 2 minutes away from 3 o'clock in Guyana. It's 2 o'clock, close to 2 o'clock in New York. You see? Yeah, man. Thank you so much, man. You see our host? Yeah. I walk this phone like if it's them big camera. Wanna show you, see? Yeah, buddy. Thank you so much for supporting. Yo, Kings. Trini in the building. Everybody, please follow, please, before I leave. Y'all look out for it on YouTube, right? All right now, a lot of person gonna be strolling for City Clash right now. Yeah. Thank you. Wonder how this world was made. Alright then. Bye bye everybody. Yeah, I gotta go and get some rest now. Killer Bean, thank you so much. Yeah, man. So the show coming up with Maria Spliffy, all them, you don't know. And tell you, I might go over there to streaming the show. All the shows them was possible, was needed to go, I will go. I could that far in the crowd, I could that tell at the back and I can see the stage close. You understand? It take a lot of energy and, you know, the patient effort there. Honestly, my hand, like my lower back. Yeah. Don't know. Everybody, thank you so much. All right. All right, everybody. Thank you so much. Killer Bean. All right. Bye-bye.